Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam dagasni Katba ka jinglong jingya dai ki hokpat ba hati bet kadang nang sniu shu habo ka jingsin shar jingkri China u Sandesh Meshram Regional Convener Western Region 1 Maharashtra and Goa jangka core group for Tibetan Cause India CGTC 1 ulasdang ye ka 6 Janjagaran cycle yatra ka jingya cycle nagabenta ka light load ka jingtren nagabenta ka Tibet ya kani ka jingya cycle Lazdang na duk handai trik nai wing hajar apsan na bomla hajan uput usam jang ka Tibet ha Arunachal Pradesh bat kan poisha ka jing penkun ha Shillong Meghalaya ka khandai trik rimpang hajar arpun rio kani ka jingya kan pen kerpang ba hajan ruspa 100 kilometer ka jam ling balai tli ki jila Arunachal Pradesh Assam Meghalaya bar ka long ru ka dak jingiro ya ka sngosen a sngolam year of compassion bar ka jing tli min sim ki pat ba Tibetan Shua ka jinkni jubori ka Tibet omsham ladon kanu ka jingya tu khana ba ki shipai China ki ladon ha ka than Himalayan ka jingja no jing ka Tibet kum ka region ya da buffer state hapdeng ka India ba ka China kala wan ra ki jingkala ki ba kraw ha ka jingya dei hapdeng ki artli ki ri tang hadin katu ka nisnem balak ni jubori ka Tibet ka China kala pelong ya ka jingya le pat ba Persha ya ke India bar haduk menta ka singiru ka jingya le pat ba ha usnem syajak dai spa anrupuan kadang penshan ya ka jingya dei hapdeng kini ki artli ki ri ki jingja ki brang shen ki dang pen isu shu ya kini ki jing e ka jingsha abat jong upemao wangyam thongdong unong shongshnong jong ka Arunachal Pradesh ha Shanghai airport ha ka arpun turek unai wing hajar arpsan bar ka jingsha kanta jong ka China ban ithu ya ka Arunachal Pradesh da ka bakhot ya ka kumka zangnan kalong ka nuksa ka bashai bha jong ka jinglong jing ya an ka brang yai beteng ha ka jing ya dei hapdeng ka India ba ka China na do Muslim syajak na ispa san bukhandai ki kintin jingero kum ka Free Tibet Safe India but Tibet ki Azadi Bharat ki suraksha la jupen mi da ki kinhon jingerap Tibet ha ka India bar ki pat ba pasngokya kani ga jingya ki kadang ya chakman hadu minta da ka minsrim ka bathamai bar ka jingkermen ka baklan lingba ki santli ki Janjagaran cycle yatra ki berdem Ula ya yat cycle hadu kumba khat prahajar kilometer da ka jam lingba palat shipho tli ki jila kum ka Himachal Pradesh Madhya Pradesh Chhattisgarh Odisha Andhra Pradesh Uttar Pradesh Bihar Sikkim Karnataka West Bengal Tamil Nadu Puducherry bat Kerala hagisnem arhajar khatsau arhajar khatnrio arhajar khatnyo arhajar arpho arhajar arphuwe arhajar arphu ar bat arhajar arphulai ka Janjagaran cycle yatra ka basau kala sya penkut ha arbentana ma ki jingpang jingya da met hadin malala jingya cycle hadu 9000 kilometer na dharam shala Himachal Pradesh Mangot Karnataka ka jingya cycle jang u kalong tang ka jing persang rit ban pensung tho ye ki pat ba ka India syapang ka jing e ka bajur ka badan hati ben Kariba marjan bat ke India long Sandesh Meshram ka sur jong u ka blasdang na ka jingya dei jingya thu khana ka bajrong hapreng ka jingya khun pat ba jong ka Tibet bat kinong Krishan ke India kadang yai kren na ka benta ka jingpen imbyang ya ka light do jong ka Tibet ka bamut ru ka jingpen imbyang ya uput usam jingya suk bajrong tam jong ka India
Paddling for Freedom Speaking for Tibet 6 Janjagaran Cycle Yatra started from Tawang December 9, 2025 and it ends at Shillong February 9, 2026. Bumla Tawang December 9, 2025 while human rights situation in Tibet continued to deteriorate under the government of China, I, Sandesh Sharma, Regional Convener, Western Region, Maharashtra and Goa, co-group for Tibetan Cause India. I'm embarking on the 6th Janjagaran Cycle Yatra, paddling for freedom, speaking for Tibet. Beginning at Bumla, Tibet border in Arunachal Pradesh on December 9, 2025 and ending at Shillong, Meghalaya on January 28, 2026. The journey covering approximately 2,604 kilometers and 3 states, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, is also a gesture celebrating the occasion of the Year of Compassion. Before Tibet's annexation, there was no instance in history of Chinese forces being deployed along the Himalayas. The disappearance of natural buffer between China and Tibet had a tremendous effect on their relationship. Within few years of Tibet's forcible occupation, China waged a bloody war with India in the shadow of 1962. Himalayan conflict is still clouding the Sino-Indian relationship. The recent case of Shanghai airport detention of Arunachal Pradesh, Pema Wangzom Thondo, dated November 26, 2025, and China's refusal to recognize Arunachal Pradesh and declaring the region as Zhangnan is an example of existing conflict in Sino-India relation. Free Tibet, Save Tibet, Tibet ki Azadi, Bharat ki Suraksha, and similar slogans have been raised by Indian Tibet support group and individuals since 1959, and we are still carrying the movement forward. In last 5 Jan Jagran Cycle Yatra, I have paddled 18,000 kilometers approximately, covering around 10 states, namely Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Sikkim, West Bengal, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Kerala in years 2014, 2016, 2017, 2020 and 2021. Fourth Yatra was completed in 2 phases due to worsening health after paddling for 7,500 km from Dharamshala, Himachal Pradesh to Mundgut, Karnataka in 2022 and 2023. My paddling has been a humble gesture, raising awareness among the general Indian public about the dire situation prevailing in India's neighbor Tibet. My voice, rooted in sustenance of the historical bond between the Tibetan cause and Tibetan supporters, speaks for the revival of freedom in Tibet, the revival of India's longest period peaceful border. This is the press release.
Something Ashi, regional convener core group for Tibetan cause, Maharashtra and Goa. आज का ये पत्रकार परिषद देने का मुख्य उद्देश्य था कि ये मेरी छठवीं साइकिल जन जागरण साइकिल यात्रा थी, जो बुमला पास से शुरू होकर तवांग, दिरांग, बुमदिला, फिर अपना वहाँ से बुमदिला के बाद में तेंजिनगांव, ईटानगर, टूटिंग, गेलिंग से तेजू मेमू होते हुए कल आपके शिलोंग पहुंची हुई। इस यात्रा का मुख्य उद्देश्य था तिब्बत की आज़ादी, भारत की सुरक्षा, और ये यात्रा परम दलाई लामा जी के करुणा 90वें जन्म दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में जो हम करुणा वर्ष मना रहे, ये यात्रा उन्हीं को समर्पित थी। ये यात्रा अरुणाचल से निकालने का एक ही मकसद था, क्योंकि परम दलाई लामा जी 1959 में